If your Mac has ever suddenly restarted and shown you a message saying your computer restarted because of a problem, that was a kernel panic. Here is what it means and how to stop it from happening. A kernel panic is essentially a crash at the deepest level of Mac OS, the kernel, which is the core of the operating system. When the kernel hits an error it cannot recover from, your Mac forces a restart to protect your data. It is similar to a blue screen of death on Windows. An occasional kernel panic is not necessarily alarming, but if it is happening repeatedly, something needs attention. The first thing to do is to look at what the panic report actually says. After your Mac restarts from a kernel panic, a dialog appears asking if you want to send a report to Apple. Before dismissing it, click the report button to read the panic log. It often names the process or driver that triggered the crash. You can also find these logs later by going to Apple menu, then about this Mac, then more info, and then system report, then software, then logs. Now let's look at the most common fixes. Many kernel panics are caused by software bugs that Apple or app developers have already fixed. Go to System Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Then open the App Store, go to Updates, and update everything there too. If updates did not help, the next thing to check is external devices. Faulty or incompatible accessories connected via USB or Thunderbolt can trigger kernel panics. Disconnect everything except your power cable. Keyboard, mouse, hubs, drives, everything. Use your Mac for a day and see if the panics stop. If they do, reconnect one device at a time until you find the culprit. Your startup disk could also be the problem. Run first aid on your disk. Open Disk Utility. Search for it in Spotlight. Click on your startup disk in the left sidebar. Then click First Aid at the top. Then Run. This checks for and repairs file system errors that can cause instability. If First Aid reports errors it could not fix, that's a sign your drive may need replacement. And if kernel panics are persisting after all that, it's time to test the hardware itself. Shut your Mac down. For Apple Silicons, hold the power button at startup until you see startup options. Then hold Command plus D. For Intel Macs, restart and immediately hold D. Apple Diagnostics runs a hardware test and reports any issues it finds with your RAM, logic board, or other components. If it finds a hardware fault, that explains the panics and you will need a repair. Kernel panics look scary, but they are usually fixable. Software updates and removing external devices solve the majority of cases. Subscribe for more Mac fixes.